How to unzip files via an FTP connection. I have connected to my remote server via FTP and I got a directory listing. I have few zip files in the list. Is it possible to unzip the file x_test.zip? If yes, what is the command?
It is not possible to unzip files over an FTP connection. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, which was only designed to transfer and partly manage files on the remote end, but not to execute commands. To unpack an archive, you'd have to execute a program like tar, zip2 or similar, but that's not possible via a FTP connection. You need another session which allows you to execute commands, like SSH. Or you unpack the archive on your machine and can transfer the contents via FTP, which will be considerably slower if you have a large number of small files because of the overhead of FTP.
Little bit out of context answer, but surely works. If you are running an Apache plus PHP on that FTP directory, then upload your zip file in that folder and create extractor.php. And then hit URL e.g. http://example.com/extractor.php. Bingo, PHP will extract that zip for you.
You can do it if you mount FTP resource using curl. Then
is your goal to unzip it on the external server, or do you want to pull the archive contents to your own computer? The first case is not solved by FTP, but by SSH or similar techniques as described in other answers. If you just want to get the unzipped contents directly to your own computer without first explicitly transferring the files and then unzipping, you could for example mount the FTP site as a folder and unzip it as a normal zip file to a location on your local computer. This will in practice stream the file contents directly to the unzip program, so you technically do transfer the whole file, but only in its zipped state, presumably saving traffic, and the contents will appear directly on your local computer without the explicit intermediate step. I don't know how the zip file format is specified concerning just unzipping a part of a zip file, if you need to transfer the whole file nevertheless or only the compressed part corresponding to that file. I don't see any real technical reasons as to why it wouldn't be possible to do this kind of selective transfer. The FTP protocol allows only transferring partial files to enable resuming.
Here to the